How about this card? How much it worth?
This one I have no idea. We're gonna go. I know this is like a $19 card.
Nice.
This is like a $10 card. And these are all ultra rares. Check it out. Woo. It's money. Alright, we're going to the next pack. That was a good pack so far. Right.
Let's see next.
This is from the Dual Power Box. Check it out. It just came out on Thursday, I believe. So. 3-4 Genius, that was alright. Oh, another Infinite Impermanence, boy! That's a $42 card.
No way.
$42 card, yes.
Damn, yes. Boy!
Yes. Oh, California! Yes! Yes! This card's alright. Oh my goodness.
Let's see next.
This is my second one, dude. This is my second one that I pulled. So, that's pretty good. Alright.
There you go.
Focus on that, boy.
Yeah.
Alright, third pack. Let's see. Another
See.
Clear 14, that was alright. Booster Dragon. Yes.
What is it?
$10 card.
Alright, good one.
It's a bond between teacher and student. Goes well with my Dark Magician deck, so it'll be good. Ooh, Hot Dragon. I don't know about these. I'll research some of those. But this is a money one right here, dude. Oh, can I afford that? Oh, dude, it's going straight to the deck. I'm too excited, man. Hold on, right here.
Let's see next.
Necklace Mirror. I've gotten this one a lot. Okay, that was a shitty one.
Alright. Next.
We got a couple more. We got a couple more.
We got some, yeah.
We got a whole other box. Dude.
Right.
We got a whole other box.
Ooh. Ooh.
I can't believe I pulled that. Yes. This is like a $10 card.
Good.
The Winged Dragon of Ross Firmo. That's a good one. Borlo Dragon. Yes. $9. It's a different artwork too. I heard this guy's good, but I mean, I don't know.
Alright.
He's alright, bro. But it's a good card. It's these two right here. These two, and this one right here. And this one. So far, not bad. And I have one more pull left. So, let's see what I get out of this one.
Let's
and
see
let's
next.
not forget Haunted Mansion. Ghost Front
Let's
Haunted
see it.
Mansion. That one's a good one.
Alright.
And
Alright.
this one. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Alright. How much it worth that one? The other
This
one?
was 19, dude. 19, $10. I'm not sure about that. This is a $42 card. This is a $9 card. And this is around $9.
Nice.
So I've already made my money back. The box was like $30.
Wow. Damn. You made more than your money back.
Oh yeah. Yes, Naturia Beast. That's a
see
good
it.
card. Another Warlord. Okay, this is a good card.
Good though.
Naturia Beast.
Mm-hmm.
Ancient Graceland's alright. Another Borlo, so that's good. And then Chronic Dragon. I don't know that card, but ooh, this is it right here. These are good picks. Alright, let's do it real quick. It's Borlo,
Mm-hmm.
Naturia Beast, Bond between teachers and this is like $9. This is $19. I think this one's around 10. I'm not sure. This is 100% like $42. It used to be at 95 before they reprinted it. They reprinted it again and now it's $42.
Damn, that's a lot of money.
It's
Still,
cool.
a lot of money.
$10 card. This is like a $10 card. $10 card. Not sure about this one. Not sure about this one. But these look cool. So.
Alright. So we finished the first batch?
Yes.
Alright, let's see next. Let's get the next one, yeah. Where is it?
Oh! Dude, I'm full of different purpose. That's the second one. That's the second one. Wow. Wow. I cannot believe it.
Wait. Let's see. Ta-da!
Alright. Comes with 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We've already seen that. Pick that up.
Alright. Let's
First
see, first one.
Come on, right here. Another Natura Beast.
All
Not
right.
bad. Ancient Year. Yes!
What is that?
This is the Cyber Dragon card that I needed.
Oh.
It goes well with my Cyber Dragon. They didn't print a lot of these out. They short printed these, so these don't come in a lot of packs. So that's a good one. Cyber Dragon Astro.
Nice.
Yes! Those are good. I got Gold and Silver Guy and Chaos Form is okay. Ah!
Alright. How many cards in one bag?
Only 5, I think.
5 cards in each bag, right?
5. But you can see they're all ultra rare. You see the rarity, they're shiny. They got the little letters and they're shiny.
Yeah, they're like different effects.
This is like good, like ultra rare. That's what they call it. There's some cards that don't shine at all. They're just like rare, like
Regular card.
regular cards. They call them like what they called? Oh my
Coin.
goodness.
Not coin.
They're common.
Token.
Like common.
Token.
Like common.
Oh, okay.
You know, like common
Alright.
cards. Ooh, that's another one. I
Let's
can't believe it, dude. I'm playing Infinite Impermanence, boy. I'm still hyped on that. Ooh. I don't know what this card does, but it looks like a good card.
It looks fancy.
Cop, Red Heart Bane. I heard this card is good. So these two are good pulls.
Nice.
The rest, I don't know. So we'll leave those over there. And then I got 4 more.
Let's see.
4 more, and that's it.
That's 4.
Come on, baby. Photon Dancer.
I'm
Galaxy full out. This is the one.
Wait, which one?
That
Is it good one?
Galaxy Eyes Full Armor Photon Dragon. Oh yeah.
Let's see.
And Beat Cop. These Beat Cop cards are supposedly good, but I don't know exactly what they do. I'll have to read them later.
Alright.
Alright. One more Infinite Impermanence, man. This is a good card.
Let's see.
Hot Red Dragon Abyss.
Wait. What is it called?
This is a $19 card.
Good one. Alright.
The Abyss. Link Karibo. Nice. Signal Warrior. I don't know what that is.
Alright.
And then this one got a reprint, and now it's ultra rare. So that's good. These are good. I don't know about these. Alright, 2 more, and that's it.
Last 2.
Come on, 1 more for Impermanence. Double or nothing. Yes.
Same?
This is a Quint Dark Magician. This card is not as expensive, but I mean, I needed to get it because it's like a spellcaster.
Oh, heavy with that.
I run a spellcaster deck.
Nice.
So. Yes, another Cyber Dragon.
Dang.
Yes. Remember, this was not printed as many times.
Yeah, and
So
now you
it's
got
started
2 of them.
Yes.
Dang.
And the Eternal Soul. And I think I need 3 of them for my Cyber Dragon deck. So 1 more would be
And
nice.
you'll be... Alright, let's hope they will find it in the last one.
I just want 1 more for them.
Let's do it. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh my goodness. I'm addicted to this, dude. This is not good. Oh my goodness.
What is that? It looks like a good card.
Yeah, it looks. But it looks can be very deceiving. Okay, these are okay. These are okay pull.
Alright, let's see it. Let's see the bet.
We got a recap.
Where is it?
So this was alright. This is good. I like that one. Apparently this one's good. Eternal Soul. These are good. This one's good. The Churia Beast. This one. So 2 Cyber Dragons. That's really good. And the Churia Beast is good.
You got 2 of these, right?
Yes.
Alright.
It's the other one's over here, I think. Or maybe in the other pack.
Yeah, because I saw it twice, I think.
This one's good. This one's good. This one's good. This one's good. Eternal Soul. What is the other one?
This one, alright.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at 3 of these guys. Chaos Fun is okay.
So, what do you think about overall? Like,
I mean, I pull another 42. I pull another fucking Infinite Impermanence. That's the money maker. That's it. I'm happy with this, dude. This one.
let me see.
This is $42 card.
No way.
Yes. Yes.
Damn,
This is the money maker, man. And I pulled these guys, bro. Like, how many of those did I pull? So these are all the good cards right here.
Nice.
And another one of those Borload.
So all these cards just from the 2 packages, right? Damn, that's a lot of cards, bro.
Yeah, those are all the good cards.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm happy with
Nice.
I recommend it. You should go buy one right now. It's a Power Bomb. It just came out. Looks like this. And
Let's see.
it's worth it. 100%.
And cut.